myself Padmini Chaudhary. Today we will start business environment. So business environment is a combination of two terms, business and environment. Business means those economic activities which are undertaken with the objective of earning profit. Profit earn करने के लिए जो भी economic activities को किया जाता है, that is called business. Environment means in general, if you will look at the meaning of environment, then our surrounding where we are living in, that is called our environment. वैसे ही जहाँ पे business exist कर रहा है उसके आसपास जो भी लोग हैं, जो भी institutions हैं, so everybody constitute the business environment, right children? Next we will look at the meaning, definition and features of business. Business environment refers to the sum total. These are the key terms, children, which has been underlined. So sum total or aggregate of all individuals, institutions and other forces that lie outside a business enterprise but that may influence its functioning and performance. So business enterprise के बाहर रहते हुए भी ये लोग business में, जैसे business के functioning and performance पे उसका effect होता ही है. Individuals means sum total of individuals like competitors, suppliers, okay. So they are called as the individual. Institution means all other business organizations, they constitute institutions and other forces like government, then any changes in technology, okay, political policies. So these are the other forces that lie outside a business but still it influences its functioning and performance. There are so many definitions, children, given by, now we will discuss one of the definitions given by Keith Davis, that is business environment is the aggregate of all conditions, events and influences that surround and affect the business organization, right? Now coming to the features or characteristics of business environment. So what are the various features or characteristics? Number one is totality of external forces. Just now we have discussed that business environment is sum total or aggregative in nature. Why it is aggregative, children? Yes, because it is the sum total of all external forces, right? Next, what are the various forces? We will look at what are the various forces. Number one is general force and second one is specific force. So general force, common, जैसे generally हम लोग देख रहे हैं general जो होता है that is common for all and specific जो होता है that is specifically or particularly for some individual. Like that, general forces that influence all the business enterprise indirectly. Indirectly सारे business enterprise को जो influence करता है that is called as general forces. And specific forces means those forces which directly influence a particular or individual business enterprise, right? So which forces indirectly affects all the business enterprise, which are the general forces, children? Like if there is any changes in technology, any changes in government policies, okay, then economic policies, then automatically all the business will get influenced with that, right? And if your supplier denied to supply you the raw material, your financer are not providing you the finance, then who will get affected? Your business, right? Your business, only your business will get affected with this. That's why it is called specific force. So business includes both general as well as specific force. Next, we will look at the third feature, that is interrelatedness. So what is interrelatedness? Interrelatedness means all the elements of business environment are closely interrelated to each other. जो भी elements हैं एक दूसरे के साथ interrelated हैं. Okay, for example, growing awareness among the people, okay, regarding the health issues that leads to increase in healthcare product. So healthcare product को जैसे उसके demand में increase आ रहा है because nowadays people are very health conscious, right? So this is called interrelatedness. Next is complex. Complex means all the elements of business environment are interrelated to each other, that we have seen just now. That's why business environment is called as complex, right? For example, the changes in the central government in 2014 that has caused several changes in economic policies and procedures in India, right? Government जब चेंज हुआ तो इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसीज एंड प्रोसीजर्स में बहुत सारे चेंजेस आए. दैट इज वन ऑफ द एग्जांपल ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी. नेक्स्ट कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट फीचर, दैट इज डायनामिक. बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट इज डायनामिक इन नेचर. व्हाई इट इज डायनामिक? बिकॉज इट इज नॉट स्टैटिक और रिजिड. रिजिड नहीं है, it is flexible, means it keeps on changing from time to time. Time to time ये change होते रहता है. For example, we can take the example of demonetization of high value currency notes of rupees 500 and 1000 rupees. Okay, that has been announced by our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi on 8th November 2016. That caused a significant change in India's business environment. That's why business environment is dynamic. Next is uncertainty. Means business environment is uncertain because it is very difficult to predict the future events. Okay, future events को forecast करना, उसको predict करना, that is too difficult. That's why business environment is uncertain. For example, we can take the example of presidency of Donald Trump in the USA and introduction of Twitter, then smartphone, Paytm, Beam, UPI. So these are the some recent changes in technology we can say. Next is relativity. Relativity means business environment is relative. Relative means it differs from one country to another country and from one region to another region. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह चले गए, एक कंट्री से दूसरे कंट्री में हम लोग चले गए, then automatically the business environment becomes different. Suppose you are just going from village area to a metro, then automatically you will find that the business environment there is completely different. Next is multidimensional. Multidimensional means business environment has several dimensions. There are two dimensions, children. One is micro environment and another is macro environment, which we will discuss in later classes. Okay, thank you.